Hello. We're occasionally asked about how to create recurring events on the calendar. Recurring events being events that happen time and time again, such as monthly board meetings that happen the first Monday of every month or the last Monday. At this time, Memorize does not have a recurring events feature. However, we do have a workaround, and that's what I want to show you here. We have a feature called Memorized Events. Any event that you create in your Memorize website can be memorized. What that means is you can create a snapshot of an event to be repurposed on your calendar. It basically makes a copy or duplicate of an event and puts it in a holding area called Memorized Events. From there, you can quickly post that event again and again and again without having to insert all the same information in a new event. All you have to do is change the date information for the event. You can quickly post a number of events using this method. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. I have a meeting here, or excuse me, an event called Monthly Monday Meeting at Lakeside Shores Coffee House. And that's an event that I want to be posted on the calendar on the last Monday of every month. Okay, so I have this event. It's a standard event. I'm going to click on it to bring up the edit page for this event. And what I'm going to do here is I've basically gone through here and made sure that all the information is correct, and I suggest you do that before you make a copy and start making further copies of it on your calendars. If you just post 5, out into the future, then it shouldn't be that big of a problem to go into each one of those 5 and make small edits if you need to. But I've gone through here, and this is a simple meeting that I'm going to post. The first one is on the calendar here on January 28th. What I want to do though is I want to memorize this event. Down here at the bottom on your standard events, there's a button called Memorize Event. On events with advanced options, you're going to see it up at the top. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and memorize this event. What this is doing is basically taking the snapshot of this event, and it's going to insert it into basically a holding area called Memorized Events. Okay, so it should have done just as I hoped it did and memorized it. So I'm going to go up here to my Memorized Events and see if it's in there. And sure enough, it is, amongst some other ones that I've memorized. So let's go back out to our event queue and kind of back up a little bit and then move forward. So we have this one listed here. It's on the calendar. It's a new post. We don't have any RSVPs for it yet, but I know it's my January event. So what I want to do is create another one for February. So I'm going to go back into Memorized Events. When I click on this actual event here, what it does is it actually brings up that snapshot, and with all the information that I had for that other event, just the same. What I want to do here is I want to change this to my February Monday. So I'm going to click on the calendar here, and I will go to February, the last Monday. February will be the 25th. I'll go here, go to 25. And I've changed my dates. There really isn't anything left here, so I can go ahead and click New Post and Submit to Queue. I know everything's correct. Okay, so now I have this meeting posted in January and the last month in February, last Monday in February. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rip off 4 more here, okay? I'm going to do a couple here for you and then probably jump ahead to 5, but you'll see how quickly I can do this by just changing dates. I'll go to Memorized Events, click this event, scroll down, I'm going to go to March, I'm going to go to the last Monday in March. And make sure to change the registration deadline. Cruise down here, change it to new post, and submit to queue. All right, so there's 3. Let me go ahead and do another here. I'll click on this. Got to do April. The 29th is this one. What I like to do is highlight this, copy it, and then I can just go paste and paste. Then I go down here, I select new post and submit to queue. There's 4. Go ahead and do my May. Select this. It's 27th. Double click, highlight, copy, paste, and paste. And go here, new post, and submit to queue. All right, so as far as my monthly meeting that happens on the last Monday of every month, I've got that meeting set up and ready to take registrations from January all the way through May, and that didn't take that didn't take me very much time at all. I'm going to go, all these things are new posts and ready to go. If I go out to my calendar, I should see that my monthly meeting on the last day is there. If I go ahead to go to my next month, I should see that it's down there as well. I can go and jump ahead here to March, and it's there. And April, my event is posted there, and May, and it's there as well. Now, I could pretty much, I mean, that didn't take me very much time at all. Once I have an event that's intended to be recurring, I can basically memorize it and quickly post it to my queue. So hopefully that shows you how our workaround for recurring events is handled. And hopefully that was very helpful, because we, like I said, we sometimes get this question, and this is our method to handle this. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully that helps with your event management and posting those ongoing events that you have throughout your calendar.